Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change WhatsApp account businesses to a normal, okay, or WhatsApp business account to a normal WhatsApp account. So basically, once you download the WhatsApp business account or WhatsApp business app, you're gonna just enter it, and basically what you're gonna do after you add your phone number and everything, you're gonna just use the phone number, and automatically your WhatsApp, your normal WhatsApp chat will be logged out immediately, because you can't use both accounts in the same phone, or both phone numbers in the same app, or two different apps with the same phone number. So you can't actually think that your account on business business WhatsApp could be also used in the WhatsApp chat. It is not possible. So once you log in with your phone number on your WhatsApp business account, your WhatsApp chat will be immediately logged out for security, of course. And after you log out from the business's account, and you want to get back to the WhatsApp normal or the WhatsApp chat, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just simply, like you are logging into your Facebook or Instagram, you're gonna just enter your phone number and password, and you're gonna confirm it, and next your data and all of the chats will be back in the WhatsApp chats, and you will be immediately logged out from the businesses or the business WhatsApp account. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.